Hey everyone, if you're just dipping your toes into the world of cryptocurrencies, you've probably heard of Binance. Today, I'm here to walk you through the basics of Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Let's dive in. Binance isn't just a platform, it's an ecosystem. Established in 2017, Binance has grown exponentially to become a hotspot for trading a variety of digital currencies. But what makes it so popular? Let's find out. Firstly, Binance offers a massive range of cryptocurrencies. From well-known names like Bitcoin and Ethereum to lesser-known altcoins, Binance provides a platform to trade virtually any cryptocurrency you can think of. This diversity is a huge draw for traders looking for opportunities across a wide spectrum of digital assets. Now let's talk about the interface. Binance is known for its user-friendly interface, which is great for beginners. The dashboard gives you a comprehensive view of the market, your portfolio, and trading tools all in one place. But don't worry if it feels overwhelming at first. There's a basic mode just for beginners. Next up, let's discuss trading on Binance. You have two main options: spot trading and futures trading. Spot trading involves buying or selling a cryptocurrency for immediate delivery. In contrast, futures trading allows you to speculate on the future price of a cryptocurrency. Both options have their perks, depending on your trading style and risk tolerance. Now, how do you make money on Binance? The most straightforward way is by trading cryptocurrencies. Buy low, sell high, the golden rule of trading. However, Binance also offers other earning opportunities like staking, where you can earn rewards by holding certain cryptocurrencies. But here's something critical: security. Binance provides several security features like two-factor authentication and wallet management tools to keep your investments safe. Always remember, the security of your investments also depends on you. Be vigilant about your account security practices. If you're serious about starting your trading journey on Binance, remember, knowledge is power. Familiarize yourself with the resources Binance offers, such as tutorials and community forums. These tools can really boost your understanding and confidence. To wrap it up, Binance is more than just a trading platform. It's a gateway to the possibilities of cryptocurrency markets. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, Binance offers tools and opportunities for everyone. Thanks for tuning in and good luck on your trading journey. Remember, start small, stay educated, and trade smart. See you next time.